We are making 3-ingredient cream cheese peanut butter balls. Now please don't marry your cream cheese. To measure your cream cheese, you can see the ounces here. It takes 6 ounces of cream cheese. Okay, and then we need 1 cup of peanut butter, which would be a half a jar of peanut butter because this is 16 ounces. We're gonna beat these two together. By the way, you want your cream cheese to be softened, so just set it on the counter about an hour before you go to use it. I'm gonna take 2.5 cups of powdered sugar. Now it says to sift your powdered sugar. Like, okay, if you say so. I never sift. So why am I sifting now? You guys like my great-grandma's sifter? I was gonna use my great-grandma's sifter, but now, you know what? Forget it. I don't sift. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so there's 1. I'm gonna let it set up in the refrigerator for about an hour to get firm, and then we're gonna roll it into balls. You don't have to put on gloves, but got my Christmas nails on. What do you guys think? Are they like it? Okay, here we go. All right, once we got it scooped out, then we go in and roll it into little balls. We're gonna go put these in the freezer for about an hour, and then we're gonna dip them with chocolate. All right, I have my almond bark here, just the regular almond bark.
Look like donut holes.
They do, don't they? Okay, now we're gonna let these get hardened, and then we're gonna taste test. Okay, they are done. I probably should have double dipped these. My aunt always did. She had perfect peanut butter balls, but guys, I'm just tired. Taste testing. Mike doesn't like peanut butter, so I will sacrifice. Okay, that is really good with cream cheese. I'm sorry, you can't go wrong with cream cheese and peanut butter. You can find the recipe in the description below.